Hello everyone, and welcome to Atomic University, where we answer all your math questions and fulfill your academic needs. I'm your host, YB Normal. Let's get started. In this video, we will be going over number 47 in Finney's Calculus, Graphical, Numerical, Algebraic, 5th edition. The question asks us to determine how much time it is required for a $500 investment to double in value if interest is earned at a rate of 4.75% compounded annually. So the general form of the equation that we want to use in this case is A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the n-th power. What does this equation mean? Let's break this equation down and say let A equal the final amount. So A is equal to the amount that you want to know by the end of the system. P is the initial amount. So the amount that you start off with in the system. R is equal to the interest rate. N is equal to the compound rate. And T is equal to time. So given this information, we can plug in what we know based on what we're given in the problem and chug through to find the answer. So we're given that the final amount is the initial amount doubled in value. So we have A will be equal to 2 times $500 equal to the initial amount, 500, times 1 plus the interest rate divided by the compound rate. So that would be the interest rate, which is 4.75% or 0.0475 divided by the compound rate, which is annually. So that means n is equal to 1 to the compound rate times the time as your exponent. So that would be 1 times t. And here we are wanting to find t. So in order to do this, we need to manipulate the equation. And to start off, I would divide 500 to both sides. So you have 2 times 500 divided by 500 is equal to 500 times 1 plus 0.0475 divided by 1 is just 0.0475 to the t-th power divided by 500. 500s cancel out here, 500s cancel out here. So now we simplify and we have 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.0475 to the t-th power. We can further simplify by saying that this here in the parentheses is 2 equal to 1.0475 to the t-th power. Now, in order to get this t out of the exponent position, we need to take the log of both sides. Because remember, the log of x to the nth power is equal to n times the log of x. So we're going to log both sides. You have the log of 2 is equal to the log of 1.0475 t, and that gives us the log of 2 is equal to t times the log of 1.0475. And now we want to divide both sides by the log of 1.0475 to get t isolated all by itself on the right-hand side of the equation. Now at this point you can bring out your calculator and plug in the log of 2 divided by the log of 1.0475, and your calculator will give you a value of 14.936 years. Years being the significant units in this problem. Another answer that you can give is say that t is approximately 15 years. Your teacher may also accept that as an answer. So the answer to this problem, how long will it take to require a $500 investment to double? Approximately 15 years. I hope this video helped. See you next time.